not a wanted person in this house.
Daddy, please.
I told you.
Daddy, please.
You're not I told you. I told you.
Daddy, please.
You man. Get up.
Daddy, please.
Get up.
Mommy.
Didn't I tell you you are an unwanted person in this house?
Mommy, please.
In my house.
Mommy, please stop that, please.
I told you you're not a wanted man here. Didn't I tell you? What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Please, Mommy, please.
What are you doing here? I told you I didn't want to see you. Should have stayed out of this. Must you stay out of this?
Chief, honey,
No.
please, it's alright.
Not in my house.
Otherwise he may die in our hands.
Not in my
He may die in our hands. Chief, please, I beg you, let him
Don't
go.
hurt him, Daddy, please.
Johnny!
Sir.
Johnny!
No.
Come and get this rat!
Mommy, don't let them take him away. No, Mommy, don't let them take him away.
Mommy, teach him a lesson.
Daddy, please. Mommy, don't let them take him away. Daddy, don't let them take him away. Daddy, please.
Get him out!
Mommy, don't let them
Good! Take him!
Honey, Chief.
No.
Chief, listen to me, please listen to me. Don't let them, they will kill him. Honey, stop it. Honey, don't let him die in our hands. Chief, stop it. They want to tell him, please don't let him die. Please let him die in our hands. Oh God, Chief, stop it. Chief, what up, Chief? You will kill somebody.
Minim Sauradi, Obabi Akwanbi, Amen. Minim Sauradi, Obabi Akwanbi, Amen. Semi Bobby Rapa. Summer will be up. I will tell you. I'm a oh my God! Fred! Fred! God help me! Fred! God help me! Somebody help me! Fred! Fred! Who did this to you? Oh my God! Fred, talk to me! Abe! Miserable! Fred, who did this to you? Talk to me! Fred! Fred! What happened to you? Oh God! You mean Nanajiman is bodyguard did this to you? Why do these people want to kill my son? Oh my God! Look at what you've done to yourself. I have been warning you to keep away from my daughter. Oh God! Look at what your father has done to you. Do you call this love? Oh my God! Fred! Is this what is called love? Somebody help me! Oh. Somebody help me! Oh.
Yes, sir. Are we at the right place?
Yes, this is the place. That is the woman.
So this is where my daughter comes to stay? In this field? Dirty place like this? Tomato seller. So, you are the mother of that boy who keeps messing around with my daughter?
Is that a way a father should behave? Why do you order your boys to beat my son? Is it a crime for him to be in love with your daughter?
Love! Love! Are you out of your senses, woman? Do you know me? Do you know who I am? Do you know the family that girl comes from? Huh? Next time I see your son messing around with my daughter, I won't order my bodyguards to beat him up. I will eat him alive.
Then you better talk to that your daughter to stay away from my son.
I came to trash this out cordially. But if this is the way you want it, fine with me. We shall see. And one, listen and listen good. I am in a very, very good mood today. That is the reason why I am being polite. But if you care to know, I can be very ruthless. Ruthless. Huh? Next time, tell your son to stay clear of my daughter. If you love your son, tell him to stay clear. A word to the wise is enough. So, Doc Williams, how far have you gone with your preparations towards the flag bearership campaign?
Oh yes, Nana. That is why I came to your house yesterday. I don't know if your wife told you, But she told me you had gone out.
Yes, yes.
I will need a little money for the boys.
More money for the boys, huh?
Yes, Nana.
I see. I see. Will 25 million be sufficient for you for the meantime?
Yes, I think more than sufficient for the meantime.
Good, good. I'll make available a check to that effect. Tomorrow first thing in the morning. Come for it.
Thank you very much, Nana.
Good.
Thank you. Nana, how is the family?
Oh, everybody's fine. Everybody's fine.
Yeah, I don't need to be told everybody is fine because I met Abigail in town yesterday and she was looking so beautiful. She's grown so beautiful, so fine.
Doc.
She's a big girl now.
Doc. Abigail. Abigail? She is a problem.
Why, Nana?
She is a headache. Honestly, can you imagine my precious daughter Abigail associating herself with the son of a tomato seller? It's unimaginable. Huh? How can this be possible?
Nana, you have to be cautious with these young ones. You must allow them to make their own friends. After all, Abigail is a big girl.
Williams, I spent money to give her the best education, to raise her up, so that she can be somebody in the society one day. She's too precious. Okay? And then, let me ask you, what can the son of a tomato seller do for her? Tell me, Williams. Huh?
But Nana, the fact that he is the son of a tomato seller does not make him a subhuman being. They must be allowed to associate.
I beg to differ. I beg to differ. And I refuse to understand what you tell me, Doc. My daughter.
Yeah, Nana, I think we must be cautious with how we handle these young men. You see, we need them in the party. Yes, we need their services.
Well, services, yes, you may be right. But it still behoves on us as parents to protect our children. You see, we have to protect our children from these young men who, some of them come around us calling themselves veranda boys, party food soldiers, and party activists. No. We will have to protect our children from them.
Yes, Nana. But it is from these same ragamuffins and what you call that we get our engineers, doctors. Nobody, after all, knows the beginning of a rich man.
What do you want from us? Huh? What do you want from us? You have come to take my son with you to your father Muhammad Ali so that you can kill him this time.
No, Ma,
My father, I'm really sorry for what my father did.
You have to be sorry for yourself. My son have told me he doesn't want to see you again. He has got nothing to do with you.
No, but Mom, Fred can't do that. Mommy, you know I love Fred. Mommy, please, I love your son, please.
I don't want to see you around my house again. Do you hear me?
Mommy.
Leave my house! I don't want to see you in my house. I said leave my house. Leave my house!
Ma, you can't do this to me. No way.
Leave my house. Leave my house. I don't want to see you in my house. Leave my house. Because of protection and what you are saying, protest my son's life.
I love Fred.
Look at it.
Sweetheart, what is the problem?
Daddy, you have a problem.
I'm here. What's come over you? Why are you talking to your daddy that way?
Mama, leave me alone, leave me alone. Why are you and Daddy trying to ruin my life? Don't I have the right to choose whoever I want to move with?
Look at your daughter. She fascinates me sometimes, you know. Look, anything I do it in your own interest.
No! You're doing nothing good in the interest of me. When you and your wife deliberately continue to play on my emotions, all that you're doing is in the interest of your self-seeking political ambition.
Will you shut up?
Why are you doing this to this family? Huh? Why? Have you considered the status of this family? Have you considered the reputation that I've built for us over the years? Oh, so you are now bent on throwing away the future I'm trying to build for you. Look, I would rather die than to see that happen. Okay? Nonsense. Tony. Yes, sir. You and Daniel should make sure this girl, Abigail, remains indoors from today on.
Hey! Abby! What has come over you? Hey!
Is that all, sir?
Why?
I'm afraid you can't go out.
Tony, why?
You were here when your father instructed me I shouldn't allow you out of the house. And you know what will happen if I should defy his orders. Please.
Tony, so you two are in support of my father's senselessness, huh?
Listen, what goes on between you and your parents is not my cup of tea. I'm only trying to protect my job. Please understand.
Oh, I can see you're all like him. But Tony, don't worry. I know what to do.
Well, little Williams.
Sir.
I hope you're enjoying every bit of your stay in this country, although the economy is upsetting.
Yeah, I'm so happy to be back home to my dad and my lovely mother here. My friends and mom, I'm so delighted to be at your table with your happy family.
Thank you. Thank you.
My daddy has been promising me to take me abroad, but he's always busy. I think I'll tag along with you this time when you're leaving.
Do you know what? I'll muss you in my suitcase when I'm leaving. I'll do it.
Mind you, you've got to ask permission from me. Otherwise, I will see you heavy.
I'll do that.
Dr. Williams, Mrs. Williams, I think your son has got a very good sense of humor. And please don't mind my daughter. If going to abroad is what is going to make her happy, then I think she's the cause of her own unhappiness.
Nana, can I ask you one favor?
What?
Will you allow your daughter to take me around town for the few days I'll spend here?
We wouldn't mind if only our daughter is willing to do that. Nana?
Thank you.
You are making all these requests. For how long are you going to stay around, Ernest?
Dad, I've not made up my mind yet, but I'll stay more than usual. Time I leave, Mom will be screaming on phones. And next up, miss you, and next up, Mom, I'm going to stay by you.
I need you, my dear.
Okay.
I need you.
Okay.
Maybe you have to leave after the elections. Because I think our party will need your vote. And that particular vote can enable your daddy become the next president of this country.
Yes. Because this man is powerful.
I tell
Very
you,
powerful.
in elections, one vote counts a lot.
I was there. Yes.
And I can't wait to be the first lady.
Sure. Yes. Yes. Very confident. Don't worry. I will stay.
Good.
Okay,
I will stay.
I back you.
Okay then.
Oh, that's great. Very good. I'm so happy.
Hi, you're welcome, Daddy.
Hello, Abigail. Oh, Ernest.
Good day, sir.
Good day. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Beautiful. And how are your parents?
Doing very great. They even send their greetings to you, sir.
Oh, accepted in good faith. Oh, that's great. Oh, you know, Ernest.
Sir?
You're growing into a very noble man.
Yes.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Very good. Keep it up, huh?
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Lovely.
Have a nice day.
Okay. Daddy, what did you bring for me?
Oh, come into the main house, all right?
Okay. You know I'm mad at you.
Why?
Alright, good. Did you like the flowers I sent to you?
Yeah, it was so beautiful. Where did you buy that flower from?
Kilbert, I will tell you. That's my secret.
I wonder the type of flower you send across to your boyfriend, because...
Come on, Ernest. It's... but I don't have one.
Stop kidding me. What do you mean by I don't have one? What do you mean by that?
It's like, I don't know, but it looks as if nobody is interested in me.
Interested in you? Yeah. Stop let me jig in my pants. It's a beautiful lady like you. Nobody's... Come on!
Nobody better than... Alright, can I have a hug?
A hug, yeah, you can have a hug. Why not?
I appreciate the flower.
You can.
Come on, don't be naked.
Okay, have it. Come on. Smells so good. I can see live flowers. And they look like one too.
Okay, so, Ernest, tell me, when have you decided to get married?
Married?
Yeah.
Immediately after my PhD, I'll go into it. Funny issue, why are you asking? What does it mean you have somebody behind the gate for me?
Maybe, but then I must know how you like them. Do you want them tinglingy, slim things? Or party bomb up the over?
Oh, come on. Can't
Okay, let's go. Short, tall. Come on. I wouldn't know your taste unless you tell me.
Do you know something? Stand up. Stand up for me. Stand for me. And give me a nice thing.
Oh gee, like this.
You know what?
No.
You fit the perfect description of how I like them girls. Because I like them just like you are.
No, Ernest. What are you suggesting?
Nothing. I'm just trying to tell them how I face for that girls, just like you. Yeah.
So let me ask you this. What if a lady told you she loves you and only want a kiss from you?
Kiss?
What would be your reaction?
My reaction will depend on who that lady is. I'm funny, why are you asking all these funny questions? Come on, Abby.
So what if the lady happens to be?
No, not here, Abigail. Please, this place is not safe. Your dad could walk in any moment from now.
No. Listen to me. Here's our guest house, okay? Nobody comes here unless we have a guest.
This no regret. Pray for this.
Into my house, this is what you come to do to my daughter? My only daughter?
Please, I can explain this.
Explain what? Huh? Explain what?
Oh, Daddy.
Explain what?
Daddy, must you do that? Have you forgotten he's your friend's son?
My friend's son? My friend's son? My friend's son can become my #1 enemy when he starts abusing you sexually. No way!
But sir, this immaturity on your part, how can you just slap me just like that?
What? What? You have the effrontery of telling me I am immature? You have the effrontery of calling me immature? You go and tell your father. Tell him I made him with my own money. Okay? And I can choose to unmake him anytime. Anytime! You little rat! Bastard! God! Come and take this little brat away!
Sir! Stay outside!
Take this! Come on, take him away!
If I step into this house again, I'll kill you!
Look at this chick.
Cheap! Cheap! Nonsense!
What the hell is that? MC, what happened to you? Who did it to you? What happened? Tell me.
Dad, explain to me, if I give you some text, is that the kind of foolish friend you make? People who claim to share your ideologies, or people who want to help you to become president of this country?
You mean Nanajiman did this to you?
That fool did this to me, Dad. That foolish by chance money maker did this to me. That foolish idiot did this to me. He ordered his aimless bodyguards to beat me up like this. Look at me.
You mean Nana Ajimai ordered his bodyguards to beat you up like this? Ernest, tell me, what did you do? Tell me, what did you do?
Mom, Dad, let me explain to you. I went to that fool's house to visit his daughter. When she tried to seduce me, Mom, you know me very well. Chief just barging on us. Pounced of me with all kinds of slaps and insulted Daddy too.
God. Hey. Oh my God.
About how he made you and how he can make you too. And do you know what? Do you know the most painful part of it? He said you are his dog and he feeds you. He feeds you. And he can choose to chain you and chain you up anytime he wants.
How on earth should Nanajiman go this length?
Dad, let me tell you, it's a shame. It's bloody shame. A whole professional medical doctor like you, Dr. Williams, you can feed yourself and you can even feed more. It's a shame, Dad, let me tell you. It's a bloody shame.
My son, okay, oh no. My dear, I will not sit here. I will not sit here for Nana to maltreat my son like this. We have to go there right now and deal with him. My only son. No. We have
I will go and tell him my peace of mind.
No.
Hello, my very good friend. Who is your friend? We are no more friends. How dare you lay your filthy hands on my son and call me all sorts of nonsense?
Look at this one. Look at this one. You have the guts to come into my house and open your dirty mouth to insult me? Oh, so you take delight in seeing your son going around town with my daughter, doing all sorts of things to her? Huh? Your son is a sport boy.
I beg your pardon. My son is not spoiled. And I will not watch you refer to him as such. After all, it was your daughter that was trying to seduce him. Will you shut up? You shut up.
Hey woman, excuse me, you shut your big mouth up.
You rather shut your big mouth. Dare you shout at my wife in my presence? No. I didn't know you were such a bully. You are a social menace and you are going to create problems for the party.
How dare you refer to my husband as a menace?
He is indeed.
What? What? Honey, I told you, but you wouldn't listen. This is just the first chapter. Wait until it gets to Matthew and John.
Dr. Williams, listen and listen good. By the time I'm through with you, you will know what happens to the man who bites the tail of a rattlesnake. Now you idiots, get out of my house!
It is you and your generation that are idiots. Foolish man.
Hey! You come and
just leave my house!
Hey! This will never end. What?
Nonsense.
Williams, the church mouse, and the wife calling you idiot. It's okay. Okay, just let them go. Okay. What? Okay. Relax. What? Darling.
Hello?
Williams and the wife have suddenly grown wings to fly to unimaginable heights. He is not yet a qualified flag bearer. And he could come to you to talk to you anyhow. I wonder what he will be when he becomes the next president of this country. That is why I told you to contest. But you wouldn't listen. You wouldn't listen.
Oh, sweetheart, my lovely lady, don't you worry. Huh? Don't worry. Sweetheart, you know how I do my things. Dr. Williams, I will strategically eliminate him from the system. If I'm going to make him wave goodbye to this country, honestly.
I know you can, darling.
What does he know? He doesn't know anything.
Nothing.
I made him.
I know.
Who he is today.
Yes, I know.
My love.
Darling.
I have decided to contest.
You have? Oh, thank you, God. Hooray!
And I will make him run for his money.
Yes.
I will contest for the flag bearer of this party. Become the president of this country.
Hooray!
And I will make you my first lady.
Yeah, you make me the first lady of this country. Oh, yeah. I'll become the first lady of the country, and I'll be swimming in the big bath that goes and I wonder what people say when they see me on the national television. Oh my God!
Dirty game they're playing in the name of politics. They play all kinds of dirty tricks. All kinds of dirty tricks. It's a dirty game. Dirty game. Dirty game they're playing. Dirty game they're playing in the name of politics. They play all kinds of dirty tricks. Oh yeah, yeah. It's a dirty game. Dirty game they're playing. Dirty game they're playing. In the name of politics. They play all kinds of dirty tricks. All kinds of dirty tricks. It's a dirty game. It's a dirty game they're playing. Dirty game they're playing. In the name of
Welcome, Nana. Let's go in.
I don't want to sit down. I prefer talking here.
Oh, this is indeed a surprise visit.
Yes. That Dr. Williams arrogantly walked into my house and put up a scene that I don't want to describe here.
Oh.
In fact, that man is an idiot, a fool, so dumb, with an IQ below average. I wonder how he earned his degree. Asamoah, he is not fit to lead this party.
Nana, I've always said that.
So I have decided to contest for the flag bearership of the party.
What? Nana, are you sure?
Very, very sure.
Thank you, God, for shining the eyes of Nana. Now we have a man of substance to lead our party. Oh, Nana, you can bet on me.
Good.
Look, I declare myself immediately as your campaign manager.
Yeah?
Oh, Nana, I am a veteran in this game. So, look, I promise you, Nana, you are going to win. Hands down!
Okay.
Count on me, Nana, count on me.
Okay. I'll believe in your words. I don't have to wait.
Yes, Nana.
Say hello to your family.
Oh,
to them it's just a game.
You're here.
Politics is the name. They play hard and they play it bad. It's about money. Ooh, lots and lots of money. Ooh. It's about power and power play. Oh, they'll do anything and everything for their quest for power, no matter what it takes or how high the stakes. It's a dirty game. Dirty game they're playing. Dirty game they're playing. In the name of politics. They play all kinds of dirty tricks. Oh, yeah. It's a dirty game. Dirty game. Dirty game they're playing. Dirty game they're playing. In the name of politics. They play all kinds of dirty tricks. Mr. Politician,
Gentlemen of our great party, I mean the
do
oppressed
you
people's
really
party.
want to serve
You have been invited here for us to
in the interest of
assess the candidates that we all desire to lead our great party onto victory. At this juncture, I would like to leave the floor to the chairman to lead us through the day's agenda. Mr. Chairman, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. Comrades, well, we have in our midst 2 candidates who are our presidential hopefuls. Now, as democratic as we are, I would like to give each of them the chance to tell us exactly why they think we should give them the opportunity to become flag bearers of our great party. And we shall start with Dr. Williams. Doctor, please speak.
The dog.
Yeah. The people's choice.
Yes. You are great.
OPP!
Oppressed People's Party.
OPP!
Oppressed People's Party.
OPP!
Oppressed People's Party. Mr. Chairman, ladies and gentlemen, it is a great pleasure for me to be offered this opportunity to address this executive meeting. As you are all well aware, I have served this party for well over 30 years. Yes. Over 30 years. I was once the party's regional chairman and also contested for the national chairmanship, but lost narrowly to Mr. Amatefiu. I have also represented this party in so many ways, outside and within the country. And in all cases, I have distinguished myself.
Yes, that's right. Yes.
The president of the country should be someone with a very high pedigree. It is this advantage that I have over any other contestant around. And I promise to carry this party to victory should I be given the opportunity to represent the party. I know I have almost won victory for the party. Yes. If you vote me, you vote the right candidate for the presidency. Thank you.
We shall now call on Mr. Akwesi.
Nana.
Thank you very much for the correction. Thank you. We shall now call upon Nana Akwesi Ajiba.
Mr. Chairman, honorable executive members of this great party, I am not here to make any long speech, but I want to make a very simple appeal. I adhere you to think wisely. Think wisely and vote me to be the flag bearer of this great party. The issue is not about positions, national chairman of the party or not. The issue is not about positions that you've held before. The issue is not about being a doctor, a philosophy doctorate holder, master degree holder. No, it is not. The issue here is about money. Ladies and gentlemen, I have the money. Politics is a game that is cards played with money. It is the money that you use in influencing the people to gain their votes and their support to lead this party on to victory. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Williams is not fit to lead this party. He is a poor man. His clinic is collapsing. Yes, hypertensive patients are there. People are dying. Malaria is killing people. And they need the doctors to treat them. Why should we sit down and allow Dr. Williams to do what? To become the president of this country? No. He hasn't got money. He is a poor man. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't want to talk too much. I don't want to talk too much. Think wisely. This party. Thank you.
Mr. Chairman, I will entreat you to report yourself. Please, sit down.
Mr. Chairman, I take a strong objection to Nana Kwesi Agyemang's references to me.
Yes.
These are personal attacks because he was called to say what he can do for the party and why we must choose him.
Yes.
But attacking me personally is not one of the ethics.
Yes.
Honestly, I
think I agree with
a
you.
serious view of it.
Nana Akwesi, I would entreat all of you to keep your peace. What we are here to do this evening is not to attack personalities.
Yes, sanity must be
Nana Akwesi Agyemang, I would want you to apologize to the meeting.
No.
I will drop.
The chairman is not addressing you. Sit down. Sit down.
I'll give you the opportunity. Yes.
Yes, thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. I have been with the party.
Shut up and sit down.
Please, look.
I say sit down. Mr. Chairman.
I will call you.
Please. What our member is saying shows his inexperience in politics.
Not that necessary.
Look, we learn from the grassroots. We want somebody who has been with the party for 30 years. Just for 30 years. Serving so many positions. This means he's mature. I'm not, I repeat.
Nigeria.
Chairman, I repeat. I'm not money. It shows that this candidate is inexperienced.
Okay, I think you made your
Yes, Mr. Chairman, thank you very much. I'm surprised that Dr. Williams is referring to Nana Agyemang's presentation as personal attacks. I don't see anything like that. The man started this, Dr. Williams started by saying that he's a loser. Naturally, he distinguished himself as a loser. Nobody wants a loser to lead this party. When Nana Agyemang was making his presentation, he indicated something very significant, and we need to take that matter seriously. He said that money is the lifeblood of politics. We shouldn't lose sight of that fact. We need money to run the party. This party is very broke, and therefore we need somebody with the caliber of Nana Agyemang to lead the party. I rest my case for the time being.
Thank you very much. Yes,
you know what? Gone were those days when people sold their conscience for money and then regret at the tail end of it all. And now our eyes are wide open.
Mr. President, please.
And it is issues that we consider before we nominate or vote for candidates. So this matter of money and the rest should be dropped at the background.
Thank you very much. Asama, you want to react?
Just an intervention. It's exactly what we are trying to say. You see, this doctor here is owing the electricity corporation 5 million cedis. He can't pay that one, and he wants to stand here and do politics. Now, I am saying this, Mr. Chairman, because if we get him elected, our opponents will use this very scandalous issue to attack us and to attack him and destroy him. And that is what we don't want. A poor man doesn't do politics, for goodness sake.
Mr. Chairman, I beg you. I'm sorry I did not ask your permission before speaking. That is all right. But I was shocked. How did you know he was owing? I mean, I own a whole mansion. You don't talk. You don't talk. Doctor, you keep quiet. We are aware of landlords who are chasing people for their rent. That is what we are aware of. Not people who owe electricity. Landlords are chasing people, and so those people who are owing rent are prepared. The problem.
Yes, I want to answer that, Mr. Chairman. That is very true. You see, what my friend has said is true. That is why that person who is being chased left and right, night and day and night, is not standing here begging for your vote.
Oh, it happens to be.
That person knows that he is not that wealthy to lead the party, to provide what it takes for the party to move on. Even the water that we have provided here, we use money to purchase them. And none of them here contributed to anything like that. You see,
no, I think somebody is being given too much room to operate. Yes. At least everybody is talking one by one. He's been given about 4 chances. What again do we want to hear from the organizer?
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Prof.
Yes. I have observed something. When Mr. Whatever, you take it, Nana Kosiajman. Thank you very much. Show incompetency. The way he delivered the speech, yes, show that he's very, very, very raw in politics. This party grooms people to become leaders. Now, when Doctor was delivering his speech, he told us the number of positions he has held in this party before tackling this flag bearership. It is not money alone that can make politics. It is wisdom. We don't want people who in the grassroots have love for him. The people and the organizer have gone around the whole country, and I have met a lot of people, and all what they are saying is they like Dr. Williams. So let us be very careful and not sell this party for money. Sit down. Mr. Chairman, when he went around the country, he brought the bills for us to settle. And up to now, we've not been able to settle the bills because there's no money to run the party. So sit down.
So shut your mouth. We must sell the party.
We really want to know, the people want to know, which one is it?
Hello, darling.
Hello.
Because nothing is hidden under the sun. One day, your sins will be found out one by one. It's a dirty game. Oh, yeah.
Darling, you know what?
Dirty game they're playing. Dirty game.
Nanajima has filed his nomination to run for the flag bearership.
How? I mean, how? Did he say he wasn't interested?
Yes. But that man is a character. And I know the party is going to reject him.
Hey, I think he's going to pose a threat too. And with all this his money, he will do everything to, influence the executives.
Yes. And that is why he should be stopped. Otherwise, he's going to cause a disgrace to the party.
Honey, please, I will advise you. Why don't you step down for him?
No.
And forget about everything.
No.
I have a strong feeling that he's going to cause a mischief.
Yes. And that is why he must be stopped. That man is an empty barrel. And I'm not afraid of him. I am going to face him boot for boot. Yes.
And I will face the wife. Mouth for mouth.
Yes. That's why you are my wife.
Your food is ready.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Dirty game they're playing. Dirty game they're playing. In the name of politics. Politics. They play all kinds of dirty tricks. Play all kinds of dirty tricks. It's a dirty game. Dirty game.
Look, before I finish with Dr. he will either disappear from this country or go on a voluntary political sabbatical leave. Believe me.
Chief, I will support every step you take. Oh, you can count on me, Chief. You can count on me.
You know what? How are people saying that a bird which does not appreciate its nest gets stoned to death? Dr. Williams is yet to be stoned to death. Believe me. Yes.
You are right. And they play it
right, of course.
That's what politics is all about.
Money. Lots and lots of money.
Dirty. See, l'argent. The German will say gold. It is the blood of politics.
It is the lifeblood of politics.
Money.
Such rats. Dr. what?
Williams.
Yes. I mean, can never compete with you.
I cannot compare.
Thank you so much. And Charles, get him something. Charles, get him some drinks.
Comrades, I believe we would like to remind ourselves as one people in one great party of what we all stand for. That is progress and victory. Well, Dr. Williams has over the years exhibited good qualities that we need to move this party forward. And at this juncture, I would like, on behalf of the board, to humbly appeal to Nana to step down for Dr. Williams to run unopposed. I believe his experience would help this party to win the elections. What do you have to say?
Mr. Chairman, the interest of this party is to win the general elections. Am I right?
Right. Yes, right.
Good. Don't forget that the ruling party is well resolved. And so we need someone to finance this party and not experience.
Yes!
Mr. Chairman, I don't think so. Nana might have the money, all right. But this is not the time we won't allow this party to be bought with money. Winning elections is about putting proper structures in place.
Sitting down.
Sit down. Sit down. We need money to build the structures. And we need money to run those structures.
Oh, yes.
Indeed, my learned professor has rightly said it all. And it is simple and straightforward. Dr. Williams is the people's choice, and as such, he must be given the nod to lead this great party of ours. Yes.
Sit down. Do you think you are talking to some small girls and boys at the university? Sit down. You, what do you know about politics? Sit down.
Ladies and gentlemen,
this is not the time for us to be fighting amongst ourselves. Remember that the chairman said that proposal came from the board. So it behooves us to consider what has come from the board in a peaceful manner, not to be seen attacking each other and fighting. We need to save this party of ours.
I beg of you, guys.
All right. At this point, I think I would like to allow Nana to say his mind. Nana, what do you say?
Interesting remarks from my colleagues. But with all respect to you, Mr. Chairman, I want it to be officially known that I am contesting.
All right. So let's not make a mess of this issue. Okay, I think Nana has the right to start.
Yes.
And I would like to carry your opinions and reactions to the board. I shall report back to you. In the meantime, I'd like to
do anything and everything for their quest for power, no matter what it takes or how high the stakes. It's a dirty game. Dirty game they're playing. Dirty game they're playing.
I have been thinking seriously of late about what we discussed the other time. Do you think this will work my way?
Oh, Nana, why do you doubt the possibility of your success? I, Omuno Asamoah, I never fight a losing battle. No. Oh, yes. But, Nana, I have a secret. A secret that can open the Pandora box and turn things in our favor.
Secret? Yes. Pandora box? Yes. This is very, very interesting. I'm interested in that secret that opens the Pandora box. Tell me.
The secret is that we must buy those executive members who are opposed to us with money.
Money? Well, money is not the problem, you know. But the problem is, how best can we get through to those executives?
Who hates money? Nobody! Those executive members are angry. Hippie kissing, whipping them. And Nana, I can assure you, Nana, the moment they see money, they will switch camp.
I see. I see. Oh, I see. And how much do you think this will cost me?
Let's say 500 million cedis.
500 million cedis?
Yes, Nana.
500 million cedis. I want you to have enough space to operate smoothly. I'll write a check for 1 billion cedis for you.
Oh yes, 1 billion. Nana, Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. I guess
it's about money.
Start work. But you believe everything. Nana, you consider the assignment as
it's about power.
Yes. So I'll see you.
And power play. Oh.
Yes,
they'll do anything and everything for their quest for power, no matter what it takes or how high the stakes. It's a dirty game. Dirty game they're playing. Dirty game they're playing. In the name of politics, they play all kinds of dirty tricks. Oh yeah, it's a dirty game. Dirty game they're playing. Dirty game they're playing. In the name of politics, they play all kinds of dirty tricks. Mr. Politician, do you really want to see?
I reject you! I reject you in Jesus' name!
Interest of the people.
My friend. Look, I reject you in the name of politics. Look, can you imagine that foolish Dr. Williams coming to me and then he wants my vote? Politics means money. Nana Ejima, he understands the game of politics. It's money. 1 billion cedis check. 1 billion. Hey! People be here. Hey! Who bad for you? Tomorrow I'll pack you somewhere. Anybody can come and take it free. From tomorrow, I'm a different man. I'm a changed man. I'm a politician.
They play all kinds of dirty tricks. It's a dirty game. Dirty game. Dirty game they're playing. Dirty game they're playing.
Oh, Mercy. Look.
What is it?
I have good news for you.
What good news?
Nana Ejima has given me 1 billion cedis check for his campaign.
1 billion cedis check.
1 billion cedis check, my dear.
Look, if this is one of your silly jokes, I'm not prepared for it now. I am tired. Please. I'm not prepared for that.
Darling, you don't trust me. You don't believe me. Alright. You take a good look. What is this? Look at it carefully. What is this? What is that?
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure he gave it to you for his campaign?
He gave it to me. Believe me.
1 billion
cedis. From Nana Ejima.
What?
Yes.
1 billion cedis.
I told you this is going to be my...
What? We are rich.
I told you I'll do politics. Politics means money. Politics means power.
We are damn rich.
Oh, yes.
What?
Yes.
1 billion cedis
1 billion
in this house?
Yes.
In Assam West House?
Yes. I told you this is going to be my year. My cocoa season. Rich. And I'm going to talk with Nyafu. Hold it and feel it.
I'm rich.
Feel it. We are rich.
Let me give you a kiss.
Thank you. Thank you. It's a long time you gave me such a gift. Oh, I told you it is our year.
Look, this calls for a celebration.
Definitely.
Wait, let me put this check down.
Yes, tomorrow I'm going to
so many things.
cash
Some
it.
shoes, dresses.
Yes.
The bangles their wives have been wearing, their rings.
I told that about Giselle landlord that I was going to buy this place off.
Thank God, praise God.
Tomorrow I'm cashing it.
Praise
and then
God.
that will be it. Transformation in our lives. And that car, I have already rejected that car in the name of Jesus.
Yes. Praise God.
Honestly, tomorrow we'll pack it somewhere, kick it away.
We will chop and chop.
Nyafu.
We will chop and
I told you I will do politics. I will die doing politics.
This calls for a celebration.
A celebration.
Get a brand new car.
Yes?
There's one is there someone would like to see you. He says the treasure of your party.
Oh yes. Omuna Samuel. Show him in. Samuel, have a seat.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, what brings you in?
Well, Williams, I'm here on behalf of Nana Ejima.
What does he want from me again?
Well, Nana has a very generous offer, and I'm here to present it to you. You see, Nana is very much aware of how you struggle day and night to make ends meet. And we are all aware that due to the bad policy of this government, doctors like you are not paid well, are not paid properly. You see, so Nana wants to make an offer that will supersede your end of service benefit.
Mr. Samuel, I would wish you go straight to the point.
All right. I'll go straight to the point. The point is that Nana wants you to forget about standing against him, and he will offer you 200 million cedis.
Look, I'm not interested in any offer. Tell Nana.
Oh, wait. You see what 200 million cedis can do to you as a person and then to your hospital. Well, of course, if that is not enough, then I, as someone, I will make it 300 million cedis.
Look, I said I am not interested.
All right, 350. 350, that is the best I can do for you.
Mr. Samuel, have you come here to insult my intelligence? Look, I say I am not interested in anything. Get out of my office.
Don't you think you are making a mistake? You know very well that the people will not vote for you. And all Nana wants to do is to assuage that pain. And you are here making a year, you will not take 350 million.
Have you come to insult my intelligence? Look, I say I'm not interested. Tell Nana I am not interested. Get away from my office. If he has any monies to offer, he must offer them to charity. Look, get out of my office before I get annoyed.
Look at a poor man like you. You want money?
Yes, and you have come to insult me. Get out of my office. That is what Nana sent you to do. Go out of my office.
I've never seen a poor man like you taking a year. You know, when you have money, take it. You die in poverty. You cheap doctor like you, and you are making.
So you have come to my office to insult my intelligence, to insult me as well. Look, get out of my office before I get annoyed with you. Get out of my office.
How can a poor man like you be talking like this? You don't even know how to play politics.
Look at the insult of it.
No!
Get out of my office. Get out of my office. I am not interested in any cheap money. Get out of my office. Get out of my office.
Well. God bless you. We shall see who will have last. You are not thinking correctly.
Look at the impudence of a dying cockroach. You don't know yourselves. You want me to sell my conscience for a paltry sum. Look at that. An insult. Nonsense.
Go.
It's me you put it like that.
Go. No. Let Nana know that this is not an issue of who has plenty of money, right?
No, but what I'm saying, Nana has better qualities than the one you people are following.
What I just want the two of you to know is that Nana should step aside for the people's choice.
And who is the people's choice?
It's Dr. Abubakar Williams. So you go and tell him. But why are you trying to mislead Nana all this time? Why are you doing this? Becoming so money conscious.
Look, you are refusing this offer, this generous offer from Nana, 150 million cedis.
Look, offer. I will tell you, if this attitude of yours continues, it's going to affect the party. So now, leave my house.
Chama, let me ask Let me ask you, how much money did you get as your end of service benefit?
Someone leave my house.
Oh, house. You are lucky your son has built this estate house for you. But let me tell you, you are only a caretaker here. You are not the owner. The day he comes, he'll come and kick you off at the place. Watch how man like yourself up. Have a special. This
My goodness! 50 million cedis check for me?
But free.
Alone?
Menadeba, the sum, my homage.
50 million cedis. Hey!
Politics.
Yeah!
Politics is sweet. For politics. But you must know how to play the game, you know. You don't follow just anybody. If you had given your support, or if you had decided to support Williams, he's so poor. When I see him, I feel like vomiting.
What can he do? What can he do? Politics is not a dirty game at all.
No. Check this one out. This is for the women's organization.
They'll do anything and everything for their quest for
100 million cedis.
Or how high the stakes. It's a dirty game.
See, politics is so good.
No hassle.
me to Tomo Coco Fanny on my Nayababe season of water and once remain. No VAT, no why insurance left. Na. And you sense of one new why what a magic. Nahaya.
Yenya power siswa. We determine what happens.
Wow, don't. Hey, Aboro,
I like the steps. Now
politics is sweet. Hey, God.
You see, Nana is a responsible man.
You know what? Asamoah came to my office to offer me 350 million cedis, asking me to step aside for Nana. Can you believe this?
Are you sure?
I don't believe it.
Nana and Asamoah are getting crazy. They are mad. Eh? Look, Asamoah has been going around bribing people to vote for Nana, but not me.
Oh, so you know that?
Yeah, but not me.
You see what I told you the other day?
Yeah.
Nana is such a crook and dishonest person that he shouldn't be allowed to lead the party.
Don't you worry. I will use my office as the national organizer to work against him.
I trust you.
Yes.
I trust you. I know you will do that.
I will do that.
Please go ahead. Do it.
Thank you. Again.
Okay.
In fact, my husband has made my day. He's made me happy today. God bless you.
Mercy, darling.
Yes, yeah.
Mercy, darling.
Yes, yeah.
I'm telling you, you haven't seen nothing yet.
Yes.
You haven't seen nothing yet. You wait till after the election. When you have become the second lady of the, of the nation,
yeah,
you know what I'm talking about.
I'm back on Mr. Summer.
Oh,
Madam, what a surprise! Oh, yeah, you know a fortune.
Oh, that was then. That was yesterday. We are talking of today. Today. Today.
I don't remember now. I'm not in a human, but that didn't be as in an Asian.
No, don't talk about that. Listen, let me advise you. You see, you people should try and grab any or every opportunity that comes your way. Yes, because this is your season. Yes. This time is your cocoa season. You should make money this year.
No plan now, can.
Because you've sacrificed for far too long. Make money.
Now me cry. Dr. Williams,
oh, don't mind him. He's too dull.
Ono say no one na na ekopre akunya.
He's so dull.
Na no yi ba ko de to wa. To paye. Na fiti kruimu nyina. Amadu ni bi kura nya bi di. Na woni na na ekopre.
He should throw him the towel. He can't compete with Nana.
On self fata akunya no. Ahye ne papa. Yesi de bia na yire sori a so tro no bonu. Se de onya en ko onfa nko ye japadi. Onfa nko do befuo bi kura ni enyanwa no.
Politics. Politics. Politics is money.
Yes.
And money is politics. Politics is power. Yeah. And power is everything. Don't imagine. Politics, you have to know how to play the game. It's a game. It's not a dirty game. Then you say politics in here.
Okay.
When you are a fool, you say politics is a dirty game. Because you are dirty yourself. But it's a game. You must know how you play your cards. See, politics. Then you don't know what you're talking about. Politics, are you there?
Just say, meeting will be a man. Mr. Samuel.
Mrs. Cecilia, my promoter.
When you are in, say no man. We be a cousin, say, no, me, Sir, you are here. Say me ko ba hani na. Madam what have you? No,
don't talk about that again. Just ask them. Now you're winning. I don't know.
Of course. Let me see.
Oh, don't say that. Don't say that.
Say, Ejako, the promo 2. You will be my bodyguard. Because very soon I'm going to be the vice president of this nation.
Yeah.
And then, second lady.
You're winning.
Me da say, Mr. Samuel, say ni pa ya dia osayi. Na ni oyam hwahwam di bia so on pepa ne nsan kwa. Na mo ayonfofo mienu bi guye kura na se. Me ba ko forma ba. Na hwe se ni omso ti. Ba ku di obaye chi na me so me ne ba ko sa.
Na anka mi peslim macho say we say.
With this pain I'm feeling here, can we go inside to let me investigate for me?
Pain? Do I have to call a doctor?
No.
To them it's just a game. All it takes is the name. They play hard and they play it bad. It's about money. Ooh, lots and lots of money. It's about power and power play. Oh, they'll do anything and everything for their quest for power, no matter what it takes or how high the stakes. It's a dirty game, dirty game they're playing, dirty game they're playing. In the name of politics, they play all kinds of dirty